morning, everyone. Here's the latest update on the big floods hitting Sumatra. Severe floods and landslides have hit three provinces: North Sumatra, West Sumatra, and Aceh. Government officials say the disaster was caused by extreme weather triggered by tropical cyclone Sinyak. The coordinating minister, Pratikno, explained that the cyclone brought very heavy rain. He also said the system is already weakening, and the government has been using weather modification efforts to reduce the impact. But environmental groups give another explanation. While he and Greenpeace say the floods are not caused by weather alone. They highlight years of forest loss and changes in land use across these areas. While he reports that from 2016 to 2024, the three affected provinces lost around 1.4 million hectares of forest. There are also 631 active company permits, including mining, large-scale palm oil plantation, and energy projects like hydropower. According to Walhi, these conditions make the environment fragile. When heavy rain comes, the land can't absorb the weather anymore, leading to bigger floods and landslides. Greenpeace also mentions two main factors behind this disaster: extreme weather and long-term deforestation. They know that tropical cyclone Sinyak forming near the Strait of Malacca is unusual, possibly linked to climate change. Many watersheds in Sumatra now have less than 30% natural forest cover, making the area more vulnerable when heavy rain hits. For now, emergency teams are still working on rescue and recovery, and many communities remain affected. That's all for now. We'll keep bringing you updates as new information comes in. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.